It's bandage time. Welcome to Banaue. From Baguio City, it's probably gonna take you a whole day of riding. If you want to go rough road, then it's probably gonna take you 2 days, but you'll see more of the sights and you get to see different kinds of rice terraces along the way. You get to see Hongduan, and there's a couple of other smaller rice terraces, and then you get to the main one here. After this place, you can probably go to Batad, which is one of the UNESCO heritage site. It's really good to explore Philippines, especially in the motorbike, because you get to go to more remote areas, get to experience small communities, and you know, if you do break down, it's fine, because there's always a lot of people that are willing to help out, and people here in the mountains are very friendly. We got caught in the rain, you can ask for a shade in their houses. We even have flat tire, and you know, they'll tell you where to go. They could even bring your bike, maybe carry it for you to the vulcanizing. So it's really nice to tour around Philippines with your friends, or even solo if you're into that kind of thing. I was looking at the view, I wasn't paying attention, and then I looked in front of me, and there was a Jeep. This Jeep came out of nowhere. I was looking the wrong way. Woo! I couldn't do anything. I just had to brake within 1 meter, and I hit the Jeep. Yeah. Buti na lang ada ito ngay. Just the one that made it. Okay, let's go. Yeah. All right, we're good. Just my wrist lang, pero good thing minor lang ay. This is Batad. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. We can overnight here. Look at that dog. Dog is pooping. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Cheers, man. This is good stuff. Good morning. We are in downtown Banaue, and we're staying at People's Lodge restaurant. So today we parked the bikes right inside the store. This is what the room looks like here in the area. This one right here is about 800 pesos per night. They have shower, hot shower, but don't ask for much. It's basically electric fed, so it has to warm up, and I'm putting it in a bucket. The reason why it is like that, because the shower is weak and it doesn't even heat up. I'm trying to max it up, man. It's still too cold. But anyway, this is just what you get for 800 pesos. At least it's separate bed. They provide food in the restaurant downstairs, and you know, everything is here basic, just basic. Don't ask for more, but the views are great. Now we are heading out to Tabuk, and it is a rainy day, and so rain finally caught up to us, but we're still gonna go on. We're just taking it slow right now. We are in, what is this place? Bangaan. I think that's how you say it, Bangaan. Sounds like a crash. Anyway, we're just taking it slow because the road is so slippery and we don't want another crash. Today we want it clean, No crashes, no drama, just trying to have fun. So we're trying to enjoy the weather, we're trying to enjoy the road and the scenery. It is very foggy, so you can't really see much, but it's still fun. This area of the Philippines, it's usually rainy. You could tell by the trees and stuff. It's always wet. So hopefully the rain is going to stop, or it's just drizzle. We're okay with drizzle. We're all bundled up right now. Oh, there's one right there. Whoa! Look at this. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. I think we started up in the saddle over there because it was cloudy, and now we're going down. Alright, we're now taking a shortcut to Natunin, so we don't have to go down to Isabela. And puddles, big puddles. Raining harder than usual. Alright, so we're going to Natunin via Mayauyao, and this is supposed to be a shortcut, but ended up to be like a 2-hour off-road place. And we just crossed this river, and look at this, it's swollen. We're in the middle of a typhoon. Look at that, it's swollen. Anyway, we're gonna get going because this road looks like that all day. Alright, let's go. I'll follow you, go.
Ya bro, idurun ta. Ayan bro. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Finally here in Tabuk, Kalinga. Such a wet day, such a long day. We're all soaked. Good thing that a waterproof bag helped, the waterproof duffel helped. This one right here is just a couple of tool bag and a jacket and rain stuff. The reason why I put it separate is because if it rains, I just take this thing out, and all the jacket and all the raincoat is there. Or if we break down, this is the tool kit, and I don't have to open up this one. So there's only 3 hotels here in Tabuk. The first one that we went to is called Garden Inn. That one is nice. It cost around 1.7 or 1.9, and so we're like, okay, let's see if we can find something better. And this is around 750, which is fine because that's like an extra fuel, extra day of food that we can go travel with, extra activities that we can do. So we're just staying here for the night anyway, and we're out of here the next day. Awesome day today for off-roading. Alrighty, this is the toilet. Anyway, this is us for tonight. We're gonna stock up on food, so I'm gonna go to the store here. So han mo nga i-recommend dito yung banda to eh?
Apa?
Ano?
Talagang taas grade ka.
Oh my god. Okay, mabalin ito yun. Ito yung...
Let's go, bro.
This is crazy!
Adventure.
This is the adventure now!
Adventure. May medyo ka sa gym.
Agad sa ng baharo sa pinakadilo.